Hi guys, in this video we are going to replace the digitizer for this Amazon Fire, right? That's what we're going to be doing. Now we are going to remove the back cover. It's quite easy. Remove the back cover. It's a lot of heating to get this off, but this, most of the time it is stuck, so you need to pry it, move it, and as you can see here, we also need to remove the screws in order to remove the ribbons. So we need to lift the board up. So guys, as you can see, the inside screen is good and it is working. So what we are going to do now, we are going to stick and install the new digitizer. As you can see, yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing basically. And we removed the old digitizer successfully. A lot of heat. I am just going to unplug the battery, and then we are going to stick the new digitizer. I'll be using the B7000, and we are just going to put some of these around the edges. So this is what we're going to be doing, right? That's the most important thing. You want to slip this through the hole. And then we can just stick the digitizer on. And basically we are almost finished. We're going to be connecting that in a while, but there are 3 screws in which we need to put back in. We are going to put them back in now, which is this one, and this one. So basically we are done. We are done. And just let us test this for touch. I normally do that first thing before sticking, but definitely it should be touching. We should be good.